Friends, buying a washing machine looks easy until you actually start searching. Every brand claims best wash, lowest electricity bill, and long life. But after 6 months, many people realize clothes aren't that clean, water usage is high, or the machine vibrates like a tractor. The truth is, a good washing machine is not about flashy features. It's about how consistently it performs in real Indian homes. That's exactly why today's video is different. I've shortlisted 5 fully automatic top-load washing machines between 7 to 8 kg, tested on wash quality, motor reliability, water pressure tolerance, and long-term usability. Not marketing claims. Whether you live in a flat with low water pressure, use borewell or tanker water, or want a machine that works smoothly for years, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is right for you. At number 5 on our list is the Haier 8 kg fully automatic top-load washing machine, built for users who prefer simple controls, dependable wash quality, and hassle-free daily usage. With its 8 kg capacity, this machine works perfectly for medium to large families. Whether it's heavy jeans, bed sheets, or everyday clothes, it handles all kinds of laundry comfortably without any struggle. The biggest strength of this model is its Oceanus wave drum design. This drum is specially engineered to create balanced water wave movement, so clothes get cleaned thoroughly without putting stress on the fabric. As a result, clothes don't wear out quickly and maintain their quality over time. Haier has also added a magic filter, which effectively traps lint, hair, and fine fibers during the wash cycle. This keeps clothes looking cleaner after every wash and also helps the inner tub stay hygienic. A big plus for low-maintenance users. You get 8 wash programs, including daily wash, heavy wash, delicate, and quick wash modes. There's also a 15-minute quick wash option, which is very useful for lightly soiled clothes. The stainless steel drum is rust-free, hygienic, and much more durable compared to plastic drums. It also helps reduce bacteria buildup during long-term use. With a 5-star energy rating, electricity consumption stays well under control. Design-wise, the brown-grey finish and clean top-load design blend easily into modern homes. The controls are straightforward and beginner-friendly. Overall, the Haier 8 kg washing machine is a simple, reliable, and value-for-money option. At number 4, we have the Godrej 7 kg 5-star fully automatic top-load washing machine. This model is a solid choice for users who want smart technology, easy operation, and consistent wash performance in one machine. Its 7 kg capacity makes it ideal for small to medium families. Daily clothes, office wear, or moderately heavy laundry. This machine handles everything smoothly. Thanks to its 5-star energy rating, electricity usage remains low, which clearly helps in reducing long-term power bills. One of its key highlights is smart AI technology. The machine automatically senses the load size and dirt level and adjusts the wash cycle accordingly, ensuring clothes are cleaned properly without overwashing or underwashing. The FabriSafe steel drum provides gentle washing and is more hygienic than plastic drums. Along with this, the magic lint filter captures lint and fibers, helping clothes look fresher after every wash. Another very practical feature is near-zero water pressure support. Even in areas with low water pressure, borewell water or tanker supply, this machine fills the tub easily without needing an external pump, making daily use much more convenient. Pricing usually falls between 13,000 rupees to 15,000 rupees, and you get a 2-year standard warranty, which is reasonable for this segment. At number 3 is the LG 8 kg 5-star smart inverter top-load washing machine. Made for users who want strong performance, durable build quality, and smart features. Its 8 kg capacity suits medium to large families, allowing heavy loads, bed sheets, and daily laundry to be washed together in a single cycle. The main highlight here is smart inverter technology, which optimizes power consumption, reduces motor vibration, and delivers a quiet and smooth washing experience, helping save electricity while increasing motor life. LG's turbo drum technology rotates the drum and pulsator in opposite directions, resulting in more effective yet gentle cleaning action. The auto pre-wash feature helps loosen tough stains before the main wash cycle, improving overall cleaning results. The stainless steel drum is rust-proof, hygienic, and built for long-term durability. The LED display control panel looks clean and is very easy to understand and operate. Another useful feature is Smart Diagnosis, which quickly detects issues and helps technicians identify problems faster. saving both time and service costs. Pricing is generally between 17,000 rupees to 19,000 rupees, along with the 2-year standard warranty covering major components. If you're looking for a future-ready washing machine with premium performance, this LG 8 kg model is definitely worth considering. At number 2 is the Whirlpool 8 kg 5-star Magic Clean Pro Top Load Washing Machine. This machine is well suited for medium to large families, easily managing heavy loads like towels, jeans, and bed sheets. Its 5-star energy rating helps keep electricity consumption low. The standout feature is Magic Clean Pro technology, which is designed to remove tough stains and deep-seated dirt effectively. Clothes come out evenly washed, soft, and fresh after every cycle. Another major advantage is the inbuilt heater, which allows warm water washing. Extremely useful for removing oil stains, heavy dirt, and also during winter seasons. You also get program memory, so frequently used wash settings can be saved for convenience. The control panel is simple and easy to use, even for first-time users. Whirlpool has one of the strongest service networks in India, ensuring better post-purchase support and easy availability of spare parts. Pricing usually ranges between 18,000 rupees to 19,000 rupees, with a 2-year standard warranty. Overall, if you want strong cleaning performance, energy efficiency, and warm wash functionality, this Whirlpool model is a very balanced choice. At number 1 on our list is a Samsung 8 kg 5-star EcoBubble fully automatic top-load washing machine, offering a combination of premium quality, high energy efficiency, and smart performance. Its 8 kg capacity is ideal for medium to large families, handling both heavy and daily laundry loads comfortably. The 5-star rating also helps keep electricity bills in check. The biggest strength of this model is EcoBubble technology. This technology converts detergent into fine bubbles, allowing it to penetrate deep into the fabric, even in cold water, for effective stain removal without damaging clothes. Another major highlight is the digital inverter motor, which is more efficient, durable, and quieter than traditional motors. Noise and vibration levels remain minimal, making everyday use more comfortable. The soft closing door adds a premium feel, while the modern light grey design fits perfectly into contemporary kitchens or laundry spaces. Wash programs are well optimized for daily wash, heavy loads, normal wash, and quick wash, covering all regular laundry needs. Pricing is around 18,000 to 20,000 rupees, and Samsung provides a 2-year standard warranty, which is reliable. Overall, if you're looking for strong performance, quiet operation, long motor life, and dependable daily use, the Samsung 8 kg EcoBubble washing machine clearly stands out as the number 1 choice on this list. So friends, these were our top 5 best fully automatic top-load washing machines in the 7 to 8 kg category. For budget and simplicity, Haier and Godrej are solid options. For smart features and efficiency, LG and Whirlpool perform really well. And for overall performance, durability, and daily reliability, Samsung is our number 1 pick. All buying links are in the description. Check the latest price and offers before buying. If you need a personal recommendation, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe to Best Picks India for more honest appliance guides. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.